it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. So I'm bringing you into my RV bathroom. As cramped as it is, I am literally sitting on the seat in the shower. But that's because I got a package in the mail and I'm really excited to do an unsponsored review for you guys of Function of Beauty. So you've probably heard a lot of influencers talking about Function of Beauty. It's like a hair care product thing, and apparently they have more than that now. I specifically wanted the scalp treatment. So I didn't buy shampoo or conditioner. I just bought like their extra treatment because that was going to be the first step of me trying out these products. They are pretty expensive, so I did not want to buy the shampoo and conditioner. Even with influencer coupon codes, they were still like, I don't know, like $20 or something for a little bottle. And I can't justify that right now. But I did buy a couple of their like little bottles of serums, which were still a little bit expensive. But I wanted to try them out for you guys, and we'll open the box together and then we'll talk about what it is. We're just gonna pretend like I didn't. So when I open the box, it says up close and personalized. I like that, that's cute. I still got the cute stickers. Okay, that's cool. So I knew like the influencers, they always talk about how they get like little stickers, and I wasn't sure if I would get that because I didn't get the actual shampoo and conditioner. But here are the stickers that I got. Okay, this is a little pamphlet. It says Function of Madison. Okay, so this is like a little pamphlet for me, what I got, my goals, because I got to go online and like click my hair goals. So my goals were to deep condition, nourish my roots, soothe my scalp, and strengthen my hair. I don't dye my hair anymore. This is my natural hair color, but I had dyed my hair since I was in like 7th grade. And so because of that, my hair was so damaged. So over the past 2 years now, I have been working on growing out my natural hair and I absolutely love it. It is coming in a little bit thicker, but it's still like I'm dealing with some dry scalp and stuff. This first one is a leave-in conditioner. It's an 8-ounce bottle. This is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys are going to see that. It says Function of Madison. And then they gave me a little pump that I can screw onto here to use. So this is a leave-in conditioner. Hopefully that'll help nourish my hair. And then the other product that I got is this bottle. Oh, it's a hair mask. That makes sense why it looks like that. So this is this bottle. Apparently it fell in transit, so that's kind of odd. I feel like a lot of it's wasted. Like it's not, it must all be pushed in here so it'll like settle. Still looks kind of weird. It looks like I'm being gypped a lot of the product. I'm excited to try out these two. I think, if I remember correctly, which I think it took me like a week to get it in the mail, which isn't bad, but I think I got lavender. No, that's not lavender. But what is it? I don't know what I got. I can't tell though. Stand by. Let me look. Well, it doesn't say on my order. I'm not 100% sure. I'll leave it on the screen once I can find it because I'm going to have to like actually go back on their website and look. But yeah, these are the two products. I am going to use these for a month. Today is February 17th, so I will update you guys here in a couple days, let you know what day it is. As I'm using these products, I'm going to use them today because I'm going to need to take a shower and wash my hair. So I will get to use the leave-in conditioner definitely today, and then eventually I'll get to use this hair mask as well. I also need to like do a little bit more research on when to use both. So yeah, definitely going to decorate my bottles, and I will check back with you guys in a couple days to update you. Alright guys, so I am now in my bathroom at the apartment. It is the 27th of February, and I wanted to update you guys a little bit on what I'm thinking of the Function of Beauty products. So this here is the hair mask. I used this one for the first time last night, and I wanted to show you kind of like how my hair is doing. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but my hair feels so good. Like it's really soft. It feels really nutrient, like moisture. I don't know. It just feels so good. I don't have that like dry scalp as much anymore, which is my biggest concern. I get like the really bad patchy dry scalp where if you go like this a little bit, then all your flakes fall out. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever dealt with it, especially in the winter time. So I'm really happy about how this hair mask has been working. Like I said, I used it last night, and then I used the leave-in conditioner for 2 nights, like right when I first filmed it last week, and then a couple days later I used it again, and then so last night I used this. I'm trying to use their products like every 3 days or so. That way I can kind of get a feel for it and let it really, you know, take effect. But I will say that the other thing that I am doing, I'm not using their shampoo or conditioner, so I do want to mention that in this review. I am using my Aveeno shampoo and conditioner. It's just what I've used for like quite a while. It's a deep conditioner and it's a like nourishing shampoo. So I will say that I am using Aveeno for that, but I used this hair mask last night. It was super easy to use. The bottle actually like filled back up to normal looking. Like I know last clip it looked like there was a huge like gash in it, probably from where it was sitting like this in shipping, but it is filled out and it comes all the way to the top. So I'm happy about that. And I used it and it was like a really thick paste that I just worked into my hair, and it feels so good today. Like I know you're not supposed to touch your hair all the time because the oils from like your hands getting on your hair is not good, but I just want to play with my hair all the time. And I actually have worn it down for the past several days because I'm actually like happy with how my hair is looking. I will check back with you guys in a couple days to keep updating you. Alright guys, so it is now March 9th. I am doing another update on my hair. It has been air drying for the last, I don't know, like 15 minutes now, and I just ran a comb through it. So it is feeling really, really good. I am very happy with Function of Beauty. I used the leave-in conditioner 2 days ago, and then just now, after shampooing and conditioning my hair, I used the hair mask. And one, I absolutely love the smell of the hair mask. It smells so good. And two, a thing I want to mention about it, that jar that I showed you at the beginning, which I guess I could go grab for you, it has lasted me really long. Like we're coming up on a month now of using this product, and you can see that it still has like almost all of it in here, which is super awesome. I've used a significant amount each time too. Like I'm not really sure like what's the right amount, like a quarter, a dime. I use a big glob. I just stick my hand in there and grab some. And so I'm really happy with like the longevity of this, especially considering the price. I don't want this to like be used up in a month. That would be like way too expensive for me. So I'm really happy with this. I probably still have another like 7/8 of the jar left, which is really awesome. So that is definitely a plus. Alright guys, so it is now March 18th and I'm going to sit down and talk to you guys about my thoughts on Function of Beauty since I've been trying them out for a month now. I will say that my biggest pros for using the leave-in conditioner as well as the hair mask is definitely my hair feels a lot healthier now. So it makes me really want to try out their shampoo and conditioner because it would take it that like next level for my hair. So I think that may be something that I might try out in the future. I know for this video I did talk about the hair mask and the leave-in conditioner, and I had not yet splurged on the shampoo and conditioner, and that is one of my negatives. It is really expensive. I feel like I could probably find something in a like beauty store that would do just as well but not be as expensive. I used an influencer's code, that way I could save a little bit of money when I bought those two products that I bought. So overall that's definitely a con for me, but it does not deter me enough to not consider possibly getting the shampoo and conditioner to try out, especially considering, I think I mentioned it in the last time I checked in with you guys, the bottles, even though they look really small, they actually lasted me quite a while. So I was really happy about that. So longevity, worth your investment, the outcome with how my hair feels, I am pretty overall happy with Function of Beauty, and I am definitely glad that I tried it out for you guys for an unsponsored video. This is day 2 after my hair was washed, so I washed it yesterday and it does feel really healthy and clean. I have only had a little bit of problem with like flaky dry skin. I want to say that's probably due to the weather and the fact that I did go like 3 or 4 days without washing my hair, as opposed to now I'm trying to get in the routine of washing it like every 2 to 3 days. I feel like I noticed that helps my hair a lot better, so that may have something to do with it. I'm not 100% sure. Will I use Function of Beauty again? Yes, definitely I will use their product again. I will continue using the bottles that I have. They should last me way longer than a month, especially considering I'm using them every like 2-3 days. So what I've been doing is every time that I wash my hair, I'm using one of the products. So if I wash my hair every 3 days, one of the times I wash it, I will use the leave-in conditioner. And then the next time I wash it, I will use the hair mask, and kind of rotating through, if that makes sense. So for the longevity purpose, the little bottles of each are going to last me a substantial amount of time, which is good because I did not like paying that much money for them, but I've already said that, so I digress. Definitely would use Function of Beauty again. I am very happy with the company, their overall quality of their products. I did look at it too, what the ingredients are in their bottles and what they are putting on my skin, so I was very happy about all of that. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried out Function of Beauty, or if you are currently using it, or if you've never heard of it before. Like I said in this video, it is an unsponsored video. These are entirely my opinions. I purchased the products with my own money. That way I could come on here and give you guys honest feedback about it. I think that is really important to have these kinds of videos. So along with letting me know down in the comments if you've ever used Function of Beauty, I would also love for you guys to comment different products that you may want me to try out on this channel. I have done a whole bunch of videos on this channel of unsponsored reviews. I have an entire playlist that I'll link down below for you guys. I have tested out Native deodorant. I've tested out the Tea Spot, which is a loose leaf tea company. I've tested out several of the meal delivery service boxes. So make sure you guys check out those videos and leave me a comment down below with other products you want me to test out unsponsored here on this channel. If you are enjoying this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up because that really does help out my channel, guys. I really appreciate you. And as I'm filming this, we are almost to 2,000 subscribers, which is so incredible. So thank you so much for you guys who are already subscribed. And if you are not already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I post videos every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, so I will check back with you guys next week for another video. Bye, guys.